There are a lot of men in this sport, but not a lot of females. And I can't encourage men enough to take their girlfriends, take their wives, take their daughters, take their moms to go fishing, because fly fishing is not about muscles or strength. It's all about just timing, and anybody can do it. And I just wish I could see more women in this industry, because it is such a fantastic sport. My guides have always told me women are better anglers, and so I always have to ask, well, why do you think it is that we're excelling at this sport? And it's simple. We listen, we have patience, and we don't ever try to act like a know-it-all. And so we're humble. We know we have a lot to learn, and we listen to when our guides say strip, or pick it up, cast again, or don't drop your back, cast, or whatever the advice is. We're good at listening. I think what's really encouraging is to see a lot of these brands out there that I'm working with now, such as Fish Pond, that are building up ambassadors of women to really help educate those around us, that women are into the sport and that we love it, and that they're listening. I mean, these brands are doing a great job listening to us and seeing, okay, this is not just a men's sport. This is also, it's a co-ed sport meant for all. Anybody can do this. It doesn't matter who you are, what gender you are, where you come from. Anybody can do this sport. So I think the sky's the limit.